Good Saturday morning to everybody out there. Welcome to the homestead. Pretty early, about 8 o'clock here Saturday morning. One of the projects we want to get done this weekend is we want to build a mobile base for our planer joiner. We have a big cast iron Makita planer with a joiner on the side of it, and it sets a little too low. We'll show you in just a minute. Sets a little too low, and really it needs to be able to move around. So ideally we'd like to be able to roll it over to the garage door, open the door, and plane out to the outdoors so that the shavings are out there. It's hard to set it in one stationary spot. So what we've done is we've got ourselves a bunch of leg screws. We've got us some treated 4x4s. Treated really wasn't needed, it's just this is what was readily available, a couple 4x4s. So what we're going to do is take these and cut them to the right length, and we're going to put two this way and then two the other way and then two this way, and then we'll probably end up going 3 tall. And then what we got is these wheels that will actually fold up out of the way. So when you step on this and push it down, it cams down and pushes the wheel down about 3/4 of an inch to lift this up off the floor so you can roll it, and then you just kick that up with your toe and the wheel pops back up and it sits down on the floor. So that should make it really nice and stable. We didn't really want to go with locking casters because the planer and the joiner, you are pushing on it a lot. So we'll bring you around, we'll show you the planer and give you a little bit more of a description of what we're going to do here. And we'll just bring you along for the ride. So hold on while I get you off the tripod and show you the planer. Okay, so this is our Makita planer and joiner. Planer here, joiner here. And as you can see, I'm on my knees now and it's still quite low. We probably could go a lot more than we're gonna go with height, but we want to keep it reasonable. So you'll see it's already got some wooden rails on the base. So we'll start by going across this way, and then we'll make 2 that go this way underneath that, and we'll probably make 2 more that go that way. So we're gonna get a tape measure. We're gonna take some measurements. We're gonna get you set up where you can watch. Now we're going to cut a bunch of stuff, and then we'll get it screwed together and probably slide the planer up onto it and then screw that down, and then we'll mount the wheels. So let's get going, see if we can get this done. Underneath a piece of cardboard I found this template. So essentially what this tells us, if we can get zoomed in on that, this is the floor right here. So we want to be up 2.36 inches to our bracket. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to cut this orange piece off here to make a template, and we're going to go ahead and get these screwed on. Alright, so we got the tractor, as you can hear, we got the stand ready, and we got the planer. So to make life easy, Sue's going to jump on the tractor, we're going to hook a chain to it, and we're going to slowly drag the planer out where we can get to it with the tractor. So hold on while Sue gets on the tractor and we'll get this going. Yep, you can look it behind me if you want. Ready? Mm-hmm. All right, so as you saw, a few trials, tribulations. In my mind, that planer deck really wanted to be a lot higher, but once we set that on there in real life, I realized it was way too high to the joiner. This seems like a really good compromise. So you saw that we took it back off, we altered the base, put it back together, and you can see how easy that moves. And that is, like I said, this thing is probably, I'm gonna guess probably 250 pounds. So the beauty of that now is that, I'll bring you around and show you what we do on that end. But on these wheels, all you do is just flip that up, and it's sitting down on its base. And then when you want to go somewhere with it, you rock the wheel up. If you can get your foot on it. And now we can roll it out of the way and store it. So we'll probably end up rolling this over by the man door, storing it over there when we're not using it. We're of course gonna get the jointer deck polished up like we did the planer deck. And yeah, one more thing done in the wood shop. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.